Hello and welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can set up your Meta business account so that you can run ads on Instagram and Facebook professionally. That's the first thing we're going to cover, how to create your Meta business account. Add the ad account, create a pixel, add your Instagram and Facebook account. Let's start right into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open this URL, business.facebook.com. I'm in Germany, so that's German. If you're in Austria, if you're in Belgium, if you are in Switzerland, if you're in the Netherlands, if you're in the UK, that's of course going to be a different language. Then what you want to do is you want to sign in with your Facebook account. That's the best thing you can do. You can of course also use your Instagram account and use your personal one. You can use your personal Facebook for that. I always use my personal Facebook for that. If you don't have a Facebook account, you can register one. Exactly. So I'm going to sign in with my Facebook information. I'm just going to do that and then see you back. So after I entered my password, I'm asked to grab my security key. I'm using a Yubico key, and you can also of course use a different one, but it helps you and prevents being hacked. So I'm just going to plug it in my laptop, put in the security key, and then I'm back. Okay, now I'm in the Meta Business account and Meta Business Suite, and it shows me kind of the accounts I have access to on the left side. Here, this is where it shows me this. And yeah, what we want to do is, when you don't have this, it's going to just show you your personal ad account or nothing. So what we want to do is we want to create a business portfolio. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to name this Meta Ads Magic, just talking about myself. I'm going to put my first and last name in here, my email address, perfect. So now I create a business portfolio, and we do this with a business portfolio as this allows us to be separate from everything personal. And exactly. So next, I don't want to right now add anybody, but when you have a business portfolio, you can add other people and it's just a separate entity. You always want to have that, and that's never lost. Perfect. Skip. I'm just going to skip this. Just me has control over it. Perfect. Now it's here. And what I then want to do is I want to go in the settings. And so I click below here in the settings, and I'm going to go on accounts, on add accounts. And I want to add an ad account. Because probably you already ran some kind of ad, so you boosted a post, and so you already maybe have some kind of ad account. But so in this case, you can claim an existing ad account, but in most cases, it makes sense to create a new ad account. And so we're just going to do that, create a new ad account. And so this ad account is specifically for this business, and everything, every ads we run, everything is then in this account. We have all our data in one place. So I'm just going to name it business ad account, or whatever you want to name it. That name doesn't really matter. You put in your exact time zone. That's really important. As I'm sitting right now mostly in Germany, I put in Berlin or Zurich. I'm using the euro, so I'm going to put in the euro, but you can of course also use every other currency. Take Zurich. Okay. Then it's important, that's a red flag when you are working for an agency together and they want to run ads over their ad account. You always want to have access to your own ad account, because it can be that they're like, they tell you they're running ads for you, but in reality they just spent 20 euros and tell you their results were not good. While you paid their money so that they could run ads for you. So it's always important you have access to your stuff and they are being added to yourself. Really, really important and crucial. So this ad account will be used for my business, or your business in this case. I agree, and I create the ad account. Here you can add your payment information, like add your business location, currency, tax info, and add a credit card. And you can just do that, put it in. I really recommend that you use Amex card for that. If you plan to spend some money on ads, or if you don't already have one, as this allows you really to get points. And if you scale some ads, you get a lot of points from this. And I have a couple of friends who still have a lot of points, and they're still spending them for hotel trips. So it's really nice, because then you can always go to nice 5-star hotels or something, or fly also business in case you are someone who travels a lot. That's why you see all those people who have e-commerce stores or whatever while traveling the whole world, because they have these Amex points and they can just travel the world. If you want more in detail how that looks like and what the points are for that, I can also make a separate video for that. Okay, so we did that. You added your payment information, and now what we're going to do is we're going to add our pages. Okay, so we're here in the pages section to add our Facebook account. And we click here on add, or below here on add. And I don't have an existing Facebook page for my business or for this specific account. So we're going to create a new Facebook page. If you already have a Facebook page, you can add it and just put in the name of your Facebook page, like Mark Zuckerberg or whatever. Then you can find it here and add it and ask for approval. So I'm just going to create a new Facebook page. Here. And going to go on next, create page. Okay, so now I have my page in here. What I then can do is I can go on Instagram accounts and add my Instagram account. And Instagram, it's a bit more easier. If you have a personal Instagram account, there's going to appear a pop-up page, and it's going to ask you to sign in to Instagram. Okay, now I need to just put that in, and whatever, select some kind of category. Perfect. Now that I did that, now that I added my category and added myself not as a personal account anymore, my account has been added. So it just takes a little bit of time until it's until the thing disappears where it says you need to get access to it, or it needs to be approved. So what I just did is I just edited it and added it again. I just removed it and then edited it again. So now it's working. So now I have a Facebook page and I have an Instagram account connected. So as I said, in best case, you want to rename it to Fabian Heinke. Now we created the business portfolio. We added the Facebook page, we added the Instagram page, we added the ad account, we added the Instagram account. And now we're ready for the next step. And the next step is we go on data sources. It's the tracking. So we go on data sources. We go on data sets, and that's been previously known as Pixel, but it's now renamed to data set. So we click on add and we create a new data set. So either you can select the existing one if you already have one or so, but in my case, I'm just going to create a new data set, and that's just going to be and I'm just going to name it Meta Ads Magic because that's the name I used for this kind of trial business. So now I did that, click on create, and my new data set has been created. I'm just going to refresh the page. Vamos, it is here, and perfect. So what I now want to do is I want to connect my Facebook and Instagram account. So I'm just going to do that. Perfect. And once I've done that, once I've connected my Facebook and Instagram account, I'm going to connect the Instagram account, click on the Instagram account, and I'm going to connect it to the ad account. Bam. And then I'm going to data sources. I'm going to go to data sets, previously known as Pixel, and I'm going to connect it to the ad account that I have. Bam. And now everything is together. So my ad account is connected to my Facebook and Instagram page and is connected to my Pixel. So now everything is together connected, which is really important. Just everything is in one place. And when we go into the ads manager, everything is configured and has access to that ad account, so when we're in the ad account, we can select the Facebook page, we can select the Instagram page, we can select the right pixel or data set as it's now known. Okay, perfect. So we have that sorted. So you're ready from that page. You have set up your Meta Business Portfolio successfully.